Alright, here we go. So Angel got challenged to do the ice challenge by Christian, and we're getting ready to do it, but we're going to do it the right way. This is the way all the lowriders do it. I know you guys have been trying to do it a little differently, but we're going to show you how it's really done. First thing you do is you take a bucket and you fill it with ice. This is actually ice water left over from last night's party, so it's been overnight with ice and it's freezing cold. Then you need 40 pounds of ice. You need 2 5-gallon buckets. We're going to put the 40 pounds in the 2 buckets and gently top it off with water. And then you'll see what we do. Okay, Angel, you ready?
No.
Come on.
Okay.
What's out? Here we go. Alright, just fill the water. Turn it on slowly, okay? Not like full blast. The water has to get a chance to cool off with the ice. Here, I'll do it. You be ready. Just like that. Turn it down a little bit. Turn it down a little bit.
No, whoa.
Like that. Like that's good. There's some cold water.
It is. You have to do 3 or 1? 2? Oh, this is not going to work for him.
Stay on it. You ready? Okay, just help turn off the water. Here we go. You know what you're calling out?
Yeah, I'm calling out my dad, Sal Carmona, my brother, Sal Carmona, my brother, Julio Carmona, my friend Jesse Lopez, and Jesus Lesperan.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
That's one!
Oh no, my feet!
That's one!
My feet are gone!
That's one! Here we go! Alright! You ready? I need somebody's help with this one. Giselle, take over the thing.
No,
Come
I'm
here.
not doing that.
Come here, you got one more.
Fill myself.
One more, come on. What's
I can't feel it. I can't feel it. Oh, please do that one, not that slow.